Welcome to my major practical project. For my MPP, I decided to design and prototype an iPhone app. The app is called Me and My 5 and it is designed to be used by parents with the overall aim to encourage children to try new foods towards eating their 5-a-day portions of fruit and vegetables. We start here with the home page. Here we have the app's logo showing the title of the app, and there are 3 main areas on this home page. We have the top bar, which has a hamburger icon on the left and an information icon on the right. The info icon, if we press it, will bring up a page which shows some brief information about the app's aims and how it works. Pressing the back icon, which is highlighted, will return us back to the previous page we were on. The hamburger icon on the left takes us to a main menu page. The menu page at the top will have the name and image of the profile being used at the time. Below this there are 4 other options: main menu, profile, food journal and delete profile. Clicking on either option will take you to the said page. For example, if we click on the food journal, then we go to the food journal page. The only option that has different function would be the delete profile button, which would of course give you the option to delete the profile being used at the time. We can return to any previous page from this page by pressing the hamburger icon, which is once again highlighted. If we return to the main menu, at the very bottom of the screen we have a button labelled Eating Your 5 a Day. When pressed, it takes us to the informative part of the app. Here we can find out some important information about eating your 5 a day. We first have children's health. This area tells us the benefits of your child eating healthily and how it helps them to grow and develop. The next button gives us information about portion sizes. Here we have information about adult portion sizes and also how portion sizes differ for children. And the last area lists a few tips about helping children to try different foods. Here we are again at the main menu page, and the last area we need to look at is the interactive part of the app. With the help of a parent, the child could make their own profile and track what foods they have eaten. In the profile area, there is room for 3 different profiles to be running at the same time. Here I have space to make another profile, so I will run through the adding a new profile. Here we see the first appearance of the app's worm character. The worm character is used as a fun element to guide parents and children through the app and give them encouragement in places. Ideally, the worm would actually speak on the live version of the app, but for prototype purposes it was not possible to add a voice. So we're given the usual iOS option to add an image to our profile. I will click on Use Last Photo Taken. The image is added and we are now asked to type out a name. Once completed, we arrive at the main profile page. At the top of the page we are shown the profile image, the name and the level which the profile is currently achieving. There is also a level bar indicator showing the progress on the current level. Below you can see points and current rewards, and below this you can see our worm character suggesting we need to pick a food to try for the day. So that's a new profile set up. If we return to the main menu, I will take you to a used profile that has achieved some points and rewards. Here you can see the profile is on level 5 and have gained a number of points and rewards from trying new foods. This is all used as visual encouragement for the child to gain more rewards and points within the app. We have the Pick a Food Item button at the bottom. When this is pressed, the app will generate a new food item for the user to try. The app will be programmed to not generate the same food item for a user if they have already tried it, so a new food item will always be generated. If we press the button, it will generate a food item. Here we have a pear. I will press OK to confirm, and now the food icon is added to the profile area. The idea is now the parent and child goes away, and over time the child tries eating a pear. Once the child has tried the food, they then return to the app to confirm this and gain points and rewards. When the child has eaten the food, the button is pressed. The food icon appears with a bite out of it. Here we can cancel the action if made by mistake, or we can confirm it with the OK button. If we press OK, we gain points and progress towards the next level. We have then seen we are congratulated and given a stamp in our food journal for the child that has eaten the food. This is the first time we see the food journal page, but it can be accessed at any time within the app from the hamburger icon. At the top of the food journal page, once again, is the profile information, and then below we have rewards and stamps that have been collected by the user. First are rewards, and they are given when you reach milestones within the game. You can see the first reward is called First Time, and this is given when a child achieves their first food stamp, acting as a well done for getting to grips with the app and encouraging them to carry on. If we scroll down, we have a collection of food stamps that the child has gained whilst using the app, each labelled with the name of the food and how many points were gained from that food. If we scroll down again, we can see areas where new stamps can be added later. Only one food stamp can be gained every day. This is to prevent the user from generating multiple foods in a day and claiming points and rewards falsely. So when the user returns to the profile screen, they are encouraged to return the next day and try a new food item. As mentioned, the child can check on their points tally at any time and see the foods they have collected within their food journal by pressing this button. And that's how Me and My 5 works. Thank you very much.